Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicki, and this is Heartland Knits and Sews, my YouTube channel where I talk about all the things I love to do, mostly knitting and sewing. Today I have an unboxing video. This is my Think Pink box, which just arrived. I'm sort of stunned it got here so quickly. Today I'm recording, it is February the 11th, which is a Tuesday. And this was sent from the UK last Friday, the 7th. It got here that fast. I think this is the fastest one has ever gotten here. I'm a little stunned. But anyway, it's here. So let's open it up. It just arrived. Before, I should tell you what I'm wearing too, because it was a Think Pink fabric from a Think Pink box, but I didn't get it in my box. It was a sweater knit that we received last year. I received a different color, and I made it up, and I really loved the fabric. And then last fall, sometime, Andrea posted the leftovers of the other colors on her website, and I bought this blue one. This is the Hepburn turtleneck by Itch to Stitch Patterns, and this was one of my Make 9 makes. I made this one up right away. I do have a Make 9 video. I can post a link to. I think it was just the last one that I posted. But yeah, I made this one up right away because I wanted to get it done so I'd have plenty of wear. So we have a plain kind of brown box. Andrea has said that she has new pattern boxes in the works. They just probably didn't get there, and it says Think Pink box 36. So yeah, this is box 36. Oh, and it says the sky's the limit. So yeah, the boxes are sort of in flux with when they arrive. Each one this winter is like an extra week in between because she's shifting from sending them at the end of the month to the middle of the month. So this one was sent on the 7th, so the next one will come on March the 15th. I mean, will be shipped on March the 15th. So yeah, so let's go. Let's get into it. Oh! It's pink inside, which is pretty cool. And it says, The Sky's the Limit, Chapter 2. And it doesn't have anything about the fabric. Usually it says you have this many meters. This just says scan the code, and it has the ebook code on it. So it's all a mystery. And then we have the pink door label. It's got those same sort of colors. So I am guessing it is rip into it. It's got a pretty pink paper. I'm going to do a lot of rustling. I'm just going to rip it, even though I really love this paper. Okay. First we have a little bag, pink and white spotted, which has some little, I'm not sure what ththese are. These little things. Oh, I think these are for putting your to like put your bobbins and your thread together. There's a little clip. I don't know what these do. I'm sure the ebook will tell me. Okay, there are those. Oh, good. I was really hoping there would be some chocolate in here. It's Cocoa Pizzazz. What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? And it's Forest Fruit Dark Chocolate Bar. Oh, I was really hoping we'd get chocolate. This one. So yeah, deliciously dairy-free. This fine dark chocolate contains swirls of berries and a splash of black currant. And then the fabric is, what is this? It's some kind of a knit. Let me look on the ebook and find out what it is so I can tell you. This is the thread color that I received. It's this black, and the fabric is, I knew it was a knit, but I wasn't sure exactly what it is. But it's sort of a lightweight ponte. So it's a ponte de Roma, and this is there are two colorways, and this is the one I received, which is kind of like black and purple. It looks very kind of wintry. It's like a peachy kind of a pink and an orangey sort of color. Yeah, and it's coming up pretty true. I'm sitting right by a window, so it's coming up pretty true. And we received 2 meters of this. It's a really nice weight. It is Palm Fabrics is the where it comes from. So yeah, there were 2 colorways. This one, which has, is not my favorite, purple. The other one is more my speed, which is like a teal with like, I think they're more of like a pinky. As I'm looking at it, I will show you. This is what the front of the ebook looks like. Right there. So this is the one I received, and then this is the more like tealy with pink, which is probably, so I will probably be looking for a trade. If you get a Think Pink box and you're in the US and you'd like to trade, let me know. Now, Andrea did put in an option. She has just started. I think this was the first box that you could do it for, and it's like about $5 more. You can sign up, and then you get, I'm not exactly how it works, but you can choose which colorway that you want. There's a very limited amount, I think 10%, that, and they kind of went right away. I didn't go for it, because I'm not exactly sure if you get just like a thing that has like the colors, if you choose, you want red, green, or blue, or if you actually get like little snippets like of the actual fabric, because I'm not sure I want to know the actual fabric before I get it. But yeah, so anyway, this is the one I received. It's a really nice weight of a ponte. A wrap dress would be like super nice in it. So we'll see what happens. I probably will be posting for a trade on the Facebook group. But it's a really nice fabric. Even when they're not the colors that I really love, they're really nice fabrics to work with. So in that way, it's nice to get like experience of working with a particular fabric. I've sewn ponte before, but it's usually been a thicker one. This is like a really nice sort of weight. It feels really nice too. It's super soft. So anyway, oh, and I did look. These are all ways to keep your bobbin and a thread together. So yeah, all of these little ones, which is super fun. And the chocolate. So thank you all so much for watching. And until I see you next time, from my heart to yours, happy sewing.